if I told you that Facebook lead ad lead could appear in Google Sheet the moment it's submitted? Let's see it happen. So here on my screen you can see my Facebook page that I've created with the name Prime Properties. And here I'm running a Facebook lead ad. So now here to see the magic of this automation, we are going to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad using lead ads testing tool by Meta. So let me take you to the lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I've already selected my page and my form. So this is my lead form, and here I've already pre-filled some details such as type of property, first name, last name, email address, phone number, street address, city, state, and the zip code. So now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue, and then I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead. So let's go and check our Google Sheets, and here you can see we have instantly captured a new detail in our Google Sheets where we have received the name, email address, phone number, type of property, address, city, and the state of our lead. So this was the magic of this automation, and in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this easy automation following some easy steps. So for that you need to use an automation software, that is Pabbly Connect, and here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, but here before moving forward, let me all tell you about the Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners, and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows, and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on the sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly such as Pabbly Connect, Pabbly subscription billing, Pabbly email marketing, Pabbly form builder, Pabbly email verification, Pabbly hook, and Pabbly chat flow. So you can see one software with so many useful applications. So in this video, we are going to integrate our Facebook lead ad with our Google Sheets. So for that, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that I'm going to click on the create workflow button given on the top right corner. And then here's asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the another one is classic. So basically beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video we are going to use this newly launched feature, that is beta version, by clicking on the select button given over here, and then a create workflow dialog box has appeared in front of us. So firstly we are going to give a name to our workflow that says instantly add Facebook leads to Google Sheets, and then here it is asking us to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case I'm going to select my folder as Facebook lead ads. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here if you wish to learn that how you can create a folder inside Pabbly Connect, then you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and now here to create a new workflow I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So I'm going to click on this add trigger button given over here, and as you all know that I'm running Facebook lead ad to receive new leads for my business. So I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads over here. You can select your own lead ads application, and then we are going to click on this app event, and here I'm going to select the app event as new lead instant. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on this select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ad, and here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account, and then I'm going to click on this continue. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So basically it easily got connected. So here it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Facebook account in the same browser. So to make an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Facebook account in the same browser, or else if you're building a new connection, then it is going to ask for the account details such as username and the password. And once you're going to add the details, automatically your account is going to get connected with Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move forward. And then it is asking me to select the page name and the lead gen form. So here I've already shown you that I have my page with the name Prime Properties. So I'm going to select my page over here with the name Prime Properties, and then here's asking for the lead gen form. So I've already created a lead gen form under Meta Business Suite. So here under lead ads form, you can see the form that I've already created with the name lead form new. You can create your own lead ad form as per your requirement. So in this case, I'm going to use this particular form. So I'm going to select that form over here. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now here after selecting the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me all take you back to lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is the lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button given over here, and it says your lead has been deleted. So now you need to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. Now again I'm going to select my page that I have with the name Prime Properties and my form that is lead form new, and then I'm going to click on this preview form. Alright, so this is my lead form, and again I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So here for the type of property, I'm going to select a random type of property, and here for the first name I'm going to enter the name as Smart, and then here for the last name I'm going to enter the name as user, email as smart@pabblytudes.com, and here for the phone number I'm going to enter a random phone number. Then here for the street address I'm going to enter 444 for now. And here for the city, I'm going to enter the city as Ajmer, state as Rajasthan. And here for the zip code, I'm going to select my country code first, that is for India. And here I'm going to enter the zip code. Alright, so now I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead over here. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have instantly got a response over here where we have received the type of property, first name, last name, email address, phone number, street address, city, state, and the zip code with some other details. So with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly I want to add this lead detail in my Google Sheets as a new row. So for that I'm going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets and my app event as add new row. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see the connection has been created successfully. So let's move forward, and then it is asking me to select the spreadsheet and the sheet. So I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name Facebook Leads. So I'm going to select that particular spreadsheet over here, and then I'm going to select the sheet as sheet 1, and then here it is asking me to enter the name, email, phone number, type of property, and some other details. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Google Sheets. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive a new lead through a Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the name, I'm going to map the first name first, then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. Let's move forward. Here for the email address, I'm going to map the email address. Here I'm going to map the phone number of the lead. Here for the type of property, I'm going to map the type of property. And here for the address, we are going to map the address. Here we are going to map the city. And lastly, we are going to map the state. Alright, so now here after entering all the required details, we are going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added the new lead detail in our Google Sheets. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have instantly received a new detail in our Google Sheet where we have received the name, email address, phone number, type of property, address, city, and the state of that lead. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Google Sheets, so that whenever we're going to receive a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly that lead detail should be added in our Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so these were the steps to how to instantly add Facebook leads to Google Sheets. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.